Today I'm starting a new renovation, and there are lots of projects that need to be accomplished, and this would be one of them. So here we go. This is the living room. Not so bad, right? Well, I've already started cleaning up, and that's the dust from just sweeping throughout the house. Just sweeping. That's it. I just swept. That's all. And me and my asthma, dust and chemicals don't get along very well. So here we have the kitchen. Don't know what I'm going to do with that window yet because it doesn't belong there. Neither does that one, and I'll show you in a moment why it doesn't. So this is the area that I think I'm going to push the bathroom into, because this is the bathroom in the owner's suite. And just like that, that was the bathroom. You want to see it again? Did that happen too quickly? Yeah, that was it. It is done. And that's the closet for the owner's suite. So it's got to happen in a different kind of way. This is the bathroom for 2 bedrooms. All right, so here is the second part of the house that still needs to be finished. Oh boy. Well, this is a great area that's going to be a family room, recreation room, or I don't know, whatever it is, party room, party central, whatever the new homeowner, once it is completed, decides it will be. And if that's not good enough, this is what Fix and Flip is all made of. Yeah, this is the project I have on my hands. Yeah, this part too. And I honestly, I haven't even been back there to know what's going on. There are too many mosquitoes that attack me immediately. I probably got some of them chewing on me chewing on me right now. And I've been through this little pathway once, but I'm not doing it right now. I'm just not doing that. Yeah, see all those mosquitoes over there jumping? You might not be able to see it, but yeah, this is the project I have at hand. Yes, folks, this is what Fix and Flip is made of. All kinds of wonderful things. But if you're not scared, it can be a lucrative project. I'm Marvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate. Stay tuned for what this home will be.